Good morning, students. So today I'm going to tell you what is fraction. So before starting fraction, let me explain you what are the basic types of fraction. So come my dear, here you see how many types of fractions are there. There are basically these many types of fraction and we divide fraction in these categories. So first you see here, the first one is like fraction. Okay, so before discussing fraction, you should know a fraction have two parts. One is numerator and another is denominator. The upside part is known as numerator. What it is knowing as numerator. Okay, and the downside part is denominator. Is it clear? Yes. So see here, the upside part is numerator and the downside part is denominator. Is it clear? Very good. Now see my dear, what is like fraction? The fraction which has same denominator. Denominator means what? Upside number or downside number? Yes, downside number. When the downside numbers are same, like suppose here I am writing 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. All numbers are having same denominator. What it is having? Same denominator. The downside number is coming same. So these fractions will be like fraction. Is it clear? Very good. Now let's move to the another fraction type and that one is unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? So see my dear, what is unlike fraction? When the denominator value means what? The downside value. When the downside value is different, just opposite of like fraction. In like fraction, denominator was same. In unlike fraction, denominator will be different. When the downside number, that means the denominator number is different, don't take it as 1, 1, okay. So in unlike fraction, numerator will be same. No, it is its choice, okay. 2 by 7. 5 by 4, all are having different denominators, no my dear. Here only we will notice denominator, and denominators are different. So what we will call it? We call it unlike fraction. We will call this unlike fraction. Is it clear? Very good. Now see here, the next type of fraction that I have written here is unit fraction. What is unit fraction now? Now we will see the numerator. Now we will see numerator. Numerator is upside or downside? Upside. So we will see the numerator and when the numerator is equal to 1. 1 means unit. When the numerator is equal to 1, yes, you are correct. This 1 by 2 is a unit fraction. Very good. So that's not mean that 1 by 2 I can't write in unit fraction. Like suppose you are here, maybe your good name in a school is something like a decent name and at home maybe your name is like something Duggu, Guddu, Babu, something like that. But thing is you na. Yes. So in that way, in unit fraction also, we can use the same kind of fraction in different categories. Okay, don't go for it and don't be confused for that. So here unit fraction, in unit fraction the numerator will be 1. Numerator will be equal to 1. So here if I am writing 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 100, all are what my dear? All are unit fraction. Is it clear? Very good. Now see here, we will move now proper fraction and improper fraction. If you are having a copy, then please note it down what is proper fraction and what is improper fraction. What is proper fraction? When the numerator is less than the denominator. What I am saying? When the numerator is small and denominator is big, that time we call this fraction a proper fraction. Is it clear? Yes. So here you see it is 2 by 3. 2 is greater or 3 is greater? 3 is greater. 3 is in denominator or numerator? 3 is in denominator. So here we can easily say yes, this is a proper fraction because numerator is small and denominator is big. Now you see another type of fraction, 5 by 7. Here also numerator is small, denominator big. Is it clear? Very good. In this way we can write so many more. Now it is coming about improper fraction. What is improper fraction? In improper fraction, numerator will be greater than denominator, just opposite of proper fraction. But the story doesn't end here, my dear. Here, numerator may also equal to the denominator. Note it down. Numerator can be greater or numerator can be equal to the denominator. So simply you may be asked, what is 1 by 1? It is proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper. Easy. Okay. Now see few more examples I am writing here. Let me write here 12 by 4. What is this? Proper or improper? Improper fraction. Simply 12. Proper or improper? Improper. Why improper? Because all numbers are having 1 in its denominator. All numbers are having 1 in its denominator. Now I hope it is clear to you what are the types of fraction, and this was fraction part 1. With the blessings of God, if God will bless, I will bring few more parts also about fraction. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.